Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails over a certain age in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you're trying to declutter your inbox and get rid of old messages that are no longer relevant. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your emails. This is important because Outlook needs to sync everything before you can start managing your messages. You'll know everything is ready when you see your inbox populated with all your current emails. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing some of Outlook's more advanced features and settings that aren't visible in the main interface. After clicking on File, your File menu will open up. Now direct your attention to the right side panel. You'll see several options here, but the one you're looking for is called Tools. Click on Tools and a drop-down menu will appear with additional options. From this list, find and click on Mailbox Cleanup. This will open the Mailbox Cleanup tool window, which is specifically designed to help you manage and remove old or unwanted emails efficiently. In the Mailbox Cleanup tool window, you'll notice a section labeled Find. This is where you'll set the age criteria for the emails you want to delete. You'll see an input control where you can adjust the number of days. You can either click on the control to adjust it or simply type in the exact number of days you're looking for. For example, if you want to delete all emails older than 90 days, just enter 90. Once you've set your desired email age, click on the Find button. After clicking Find, an advanced Find window will appear on your screen. This window displays all the search results based on the criteria you just set, which in this case is the certain age of emails you specified. Take a moment to review the results to make sure these are the emails you want to remove. Once you're confident, simply highlight all the results. You can do this by clicking on the first email, then holding down the Shift key and clicking on the last email to select everything in between. After highlighting all the emails, delete them. You can either press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click and select Delete from the menu. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted all emails over a certain age in Outlook, freeing up space and keeping your inbox organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.